The links tool is a network graph of terms that appear in proximity. You can see blue terms and orange terms. The blue ones are called keywords, and if you hover over them, you can see the frequency of that term in the corpus. The orange ones are called collocates, and if you hover over them, you can see the frequency in proximity to the blue word. You can double-click on a blue word to get more collocates, and you can double-click on an orange word to turn it into a blue one, a keyword. You have the option to control-click on a word and fetch more collocates, centralize it, or remove it. And centralize just moves it into the middle of the window. If you click on a word, then you can see the frequency across the corpus over here in the trends window. It's possible to click and drag words into position if you want to get a better overview of the collocates and the keywords. Just be careful that you don't drag one of the words out of the window, because that could remove the term. Down here you have three options. One is clear, to clear the window. Then you can search for specific terms to see their collocates. Like this, and then drag them into position. There's also this slide bar for context, but it doesn't seem to work properly, at least not at the moment. Technically it should load more collocates and terms, but if you slide it down again, it goes crazy. Up here you have the export option to open in a new tab, to export HTML code, and to export an image. You have the option to choose a different tool, and here you can add more stop words. And the question mark gives you more information about the tool.